Good morning, students. Good morning to all. Today we are learn here second topic, joint stock company. Joint stock company. First we are learn today here meanings of joint stock company. Meaning, first, what is the meaning of joint? Joint means everyone's are joined together. Stock company. Joint stock company. Company means a group of individual. It is a one group of individual who are associated for a lawful common purpose or goal. And every group the common purpose and common goals. Capital is invested by a large number of persons. All the persons are invest the capitals. Large number of persons are invest the capitals. In a simple words, a company is a voluntary association of persons. It is a voluntary association for carrying some business and sharing the profit therefrom. They are the sharing the profit from there. Another words, company may be described as an association of person for some common goal. Every individual person's goal are same, common goals. The goal may include economic as well as non-economic objective. Or economic means profit motive, non-economic means the service motive, such as business, sports, entertainment, research, art, charity, etc. But in the common language, the word secretary is reserved for those associated to carry on business for profit. Those business we are carry on profit. In simple terms, company is a voluntary association. It is a voluntary association means is anyone's are coming there. Voluntary association of person for carrying some business and sharing the profit therefore. Joint stock company collect the use capital for the business. Means a persons who purchase the share are called the capitals of companies divided into small number of individual units of fixed capitals. These units are known as the shares. Every joint stock companies collect use capital for the business. The more capitals are collecting in the business. The capitals of a company is divided into small number of indivisible unit of fixed amount, and these units are known as the shares. These units are known as the shares. For example, 100 rupees company collect the 100 rupees, and there the 1 rupees there is the units, and there are say for the shares. They are say for the shares. A person who purchase share are called shareholders. Is a part owners of the company. Is a share of owners of the company. Means who are the purchase? Mr. X are purchase the share of the company. That the Mr. X is the owners of the company. The ownership of the companies is with shareholders, while it is day-to-day administration is in the hand of directors who are the elected representative of shareholders. It means of the shareholders of the joint stock companies. The directors are collecting is known as a board of directors. Then shareholders are owners and members of the company. The membership of the company is large and keeping on changing. Therefore, shareholders elect their representative to manage affairs of the company. These elected representatives are called as the are called as a board of directors, are called as a directors, and the directors are collected is known as a board of directors. The portion of profit of the company distributed among the shareholders is known as a dividend, is known as a dividends. In another words, say the ownership of the company is with the shareholders. Those persons purchase the share of the companies, these persons are the owners, and there is the shareholders of the joint stock company. Whilst there the shareholders are spread for different areas, and there are the large numbers of the shareholders are. Therefore, while there is a day-to-day administrative is in the handles of directors, who are the elected represented by shareholders. They are say for the directors. Then these directors are looking for the management of the joint stock company. The board of directors, they are the management persons. The portion of the profit of the companies, there is a company collected so many profit. They are the profit, some portion of the 10% profit or 5% profit, they are the divided, they are distributed among the shareholders. They are distributed among the shareholders is known as a dividend, is known as a dividend. Another ones we are learn here, definitions of joint stock company. Definition of joint stock companies. First, according to section 2(20) of the Company Act 2013. Company means a company incorporated under this act, under the Company Act 2013. That is the incorporate, means the collect the license under this Act 2013 or under any previous company law. It's according to section 2 subsection 20 of the Company Act 2013. It means every organization would get the status of the company. Every organization, every company would get the status of the company if it is incorporated under the relevant law as a companies before or after the enactations of the Company Act 2013. There is a Company Act 2013. According to the Professor H.L. Hannes, defined for these definitions of the joint stock company. A joint stock company is a voluntary association. Voluntary means anyone's, any caste, kids, any religions, any persons are entered in this form, those ones are interested. There is a voluntary association of individual for profit. They are the individual for profit. Having its capitals divided into transferable shares. These capitals are divided into transferable shares. Those shares, they are the purchase. Number of shares, they are the purchase, and that shares are there is a transfer to any person to any times. They are the transferable shares. The ownership of which is the conditions of memberships. Then it means relieves some of the most important features that if joint stock company is an incorporation association, which is the artificial person created by law, having a separate names or common shields or separate legal entities and perpetual succession. The liability of its the members is limited. There is the sum of the definitions of the joint stock companies. Now, today we are learn here second topic, joint stock company. Joint stock company meanings, this definitions we are learned today here. Thank you students. Any doubts, contact my personal number. Thank you. Now assignment questions. Write the meanings and concept of joint stock company. Thank you, students.